History has been made in a Nova Scotia courtroom. A judge issued a court order to prevent online bullying. It is the first time a court has issued a prevention order under Nova Scotia's new cyberbullying law, a law that was passed after the death of teenager Rehteah Parsons. It is a win for the victim in this case, but as Ross Lord reports, some analysts say the law itself is headed for trouble.
By challenging her tormentor in the courts and winning, First Nations Chief Rehteah Parsons is striking a blow for victims of cyberbullies.
Nobody should have to go through this, and I'm glad that, there is a law in place to protect people.
She'd been bullied by Rehteah Parsons, who created several Facebook pages for a pulpit. Some have been taken down, but other comments remain, like these, calling the chief a bitch and saying she needed a punch in the face.
Chris was a friend, so it was difficult to have to put him through that, but it was difficult to have to go through that too.
Nova Scotia's new cyber scan unit has easily secured an order against Prosper, forcing him to stop or face a fine of up to $5,000 and up to 2 years in jail.
It's the first order of its kind in Canada, and so I'm very pleased with that.
But there are suggestions they should enjoy it while they can. Some who studied the Nova Scotia law say it's unlikely to hold up in the long term.
I think ultimately it's doomed to failure.
This privacy lawyer doesn't oppose the order issued in this case, but he says the law could trample on freedom of expression by holding anyone liable for hurting someone else's feelings.
There is a possibility, and a very strong and a very real possibility, that this legislation could be used to chill charter-protected speech.
With more than 100 other cases investigated in recent months, it's a safe bet not all bullying complaints will be as clear-cut as this one. Ross Lord, Global News, Halifax.